This was a lot of shit. When we are in the bottom, it's blocking the pipe. Look what is blocking the tube. So I'm starting up a little project here to make, what we call it, like a portable fuel polishing thing system. I will show you, but do you think it's a good idea to have one?
Yes, I definitely.
Yeah, we kind of tried it out because I made a prototype when we had the water in our fuel tank.
Yeah.
So I will go out and try to make it. The parts for the project out in the garage here. So here we have, maybe I will take down the radio there. So we have a Raycor filter, we have a fuel pump. That's it. And all this will go into a box. There is the box. It will go into this one. And so I guess I used an original Raycor filter because I had one, but I guess you can, like there are copies today, and since it's just polishing or cleaning out your tank with it, I guess they're good enough. Yeah, so I will start working on it. I will just use a normal, like a house switch, because it's only 12 volt. Maybe someone will think maybe it's not a good idea. I don't know. But I got visitors. Oh, my little girl. So the son and daughter is not, the daughter-in-law is back. So when this is finished, we will try it out on your boat to clean out your fuel tank. I think it's a good to see how well it works. Have you been working with your mast?
No.
No, not yet.
Yeah, we have been checking the mast.
Did you check it?
Yeah.
We filled up the water tank, which we noticed is possible to overfill also.
And it goes out, empties into the boat?
Inside.
Of course it does. That's the alarm. I need to go and check on the cooking as well. I'm back from my little cooking, so I will need to keep on here. I have a helping hand here. Now it's time for the tubes to come on. I hope this little... So I'm using just a 12 volt plug, and I guess you can take these alligator things, and then I have put on the tubes, and then all this package should go into the box. There we have the box, and then it should go like this. Ooh, perfect. I think I even can, yeah, This is good. So we will have a tryout later on the Son's boat first. I can show you on our boat. We have like a hatch like this for the fuel tank, and I have put in one of these deck fillings so we can easy access and get a pipe down to the bottom on the deepest section of the tank, and that is. So we are on our way to test the new portable fuel polisher, we can call it, to clean out your tank. Yeah. Do you think it has been cleaned for 25 years or so?
Maybe not. Probably not.
No, but I think it's a good thing to do before you go sailing. Yeah. We have arrived to the marina. The boat is there, and tomorrow we'll put on the mast, but today we will try our new little thingy. And we have our helper there, Nora. So I guess the first thing we need to do, we need to pump out some fuel, because you filled the diesel tank full before storage for not having condensation. But so we will just pump up from the fuel lid first, and then we will open up so we can get to the bottom. So we're here. One tube in there, and the other one goes into the tank there, and then so I think we are ready. If you connect the power, and we'll see what happens. If it will be a total failure or a success. Are you with?
No.
Uh-oh. Nothing happened. Okay, so he had not put on the power.
Now
so
the power.
Yes. So now we'll see. It's starting to come a little bit here. Finally we got it running. We had some leakage in the bottom there. Now it's running beautiful when we have opened the tank there, and you can see that doesn't look too good, the diesel there. Stop here. Shit, vad skit. The pump started to look what is in there. Wow. We found that. I think it was very good for us to clean your fuel tank there. Nej, det är stopp.
Stoppröret?
It is blocked. Look what is blocking the tube. So this is like things from the bottom of the tank. So this is well, yeah. So we have some cleaning to do. Like, look how it's looking. You see there? And now we are not, because when we are in the bottom, it's blocking the pipe. So now we're only taking out some fuel. You see? All the gooey that is coming out. But
this tank hasn't been open for 24 years.
You talked to the previous owner there. Yeah. So this is good that we're doing this. We have to be very careful with it, because if you go too hard to the bottom, we're blocking the tube. But it seems to do its job there. Look, can you see?
Nej.
Uh-oh. Did you make a block now? No, now you have to take it out again.
Det är som den var lossnar. Nej.
Nej, you have to take up the pipe.
Men det är där. Trullblocken är där.
Nej, det tror jag inte. I don't know. You have to open the pipe.
Nej, det är där.
Okay, empty it here. Look what is blocking the pipe. Wow. That could have made serious problem with the fuel.
Time
thingy.
to clean your diesel tanks,
Yeah.
people.
Yeah. And And I must say, this works very well. It's a messy job though. Yeah. This was a lot of shit. Can you take it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Down with it and not completely to the bottom now. I must say it works really good. It's not super fast, but it cleans the fuel very well. And yeah, you can see it there. It's good. I think we have got the tank clean now, and now we are just polishing for fun. And I must say it worked very well. Even though it was a messy job doing, emptying out the things, and we got some blockage, but we managed to. But I think this was an extremely, dirty tank. But also, I guess if you have like growth in your diesel or whatever, this would not work, because then it will just stop the filter. But just to clean out some water in the bottom of the tank and something, this works perfect. And now it's just polishing there. And I'm very happy we had the box under there, because it's, when we spilled and everything. So this box was very convenient to have, because when we were cleaning the filter, it's not easy to have it where it should be. But look at all the shit that was in the tank, plus the ones that we took out from hand. Unbelievable. So I will empty it out. Here is one of these to leave your oil and things.